Hello everyone. Today's a little bit of a different video from a lot of my other stuff that you guys are used to if you are a constant watcher on this channel. Today's actually going to be a Fallout video, or Fallout related video. It's been in the news a lot, or at least it was in the news quite a bit when it first happened, and we finally got him. So what I'm referring to is I got the Fallout 76 Power Armor Edition. As you saw, it's in my channel. It's the one that came with the Power Armor helmet and like the game and everything. And the big controversy when that came out was you got what was supposed to be a canvas bag, but it's actually like a rip stop. Weird, like, yeah, not canvas at all. The straps are canvas, which is not, I mean, but yeah, not a very good bag at all. Just, yeah, you can see through it and it's just kind of. So this is what we got. People were really upset. I actually just opened this like 5 minutes ago. I never opened my bag, so I wasn't too upset about it because like I'm displaying mine on my record player, so like I'm not gonna put it in this. I'm not gonna carry it around for any reason. But you know, when the thing came up like, oh, if you want to go ahead and fill out our thing, you can get free items on Fallout 76, and we'll send you the canvas bag when it's ready. And I was like, okay, might as well. I'm not too upset about it, but free money and a new bag can't hurt. And so while I was going to Minnesota, they finally, after months, sent out the replacement canvas bag. And boy, let me tell you, from just opening that like 5 minutes ago and getting this is like a million times better. I'm not gonna lie. It looks better. It seems more of like what you would carry a Power Armor helmet in. It's just, yeah. To me, this is 100% better. Kind of sucks that it took them so long to get it out. You know what I mean? Like, at this point, it's like, what's the point? You know, it's big enough to put your Power Armor helmet in there. You can carry it with you that way. Because instead of taking the whole box, you can put it in there, and it protects it from scratches and dust and stuff like that. But yeah, just, I mean, world of difference between these two. I mean, look at that. Like, that just looks like crap. This actually looks pretty cool. It looks like a military-esque kind of bag, or this just looks like a cheap, that you bought at the dollar store kind of thing. So they definitely made up for it with producing these. Obviously, this is what it was supposed to come with in the first place, was these. And then when you got it, it came with this. So, they made up for their mistakes. The game's getting better, slowly but surely. They're updating it like pretty constantly. Then an NPC update comes out this year. The Battle Royale mode was actually pretty fun. So I'm excited for the future of Fallout 76. I'm glad they took the steps to ratify the mistake they made with this garbage. But yeah, that's today's video. Just want to do a quick update just to show you that these are coming. They're getting sent to people now, and what the difference is between the two. I mean, it's literally, you can just see the difference, like, visually, and then it's just, getting them in hand is even, yeah, world of difference. But yeah, that's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go and drop a like on it to show some support. I always appreciate seeing those likes. Comment, did you buy the Fallout 76 Power Armor Edition? Did you open the bag? Were you disappointed with the bag? Have you gotten your new bag yet? Go and let me know in the comment section below. I always like seeing comments and replying to them and whatnot. And subscribe to stay up to date if you haven't already. There should be like 1 or 2 more videos after this one, maybe. I don't know what order these are gonna go up, but basically within 2 weeks there should be 4 videos. So you'll be able to see quite a bit of content coming here soon. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Gonna go. I could put some shoes in this if I wanted. But until next time, guys. Peace out.